Hey there! Are you a student and want to make a career in Python? Then you have to figure out with variables, classes, objects, exceptions, NumPy and many more with your own. Don't worry, for this there is a training institute in Pune. Introducing Victorrious Digiital. Who are we? We are the best Python training institute in Pune. Which will teach you 100% practical. The main reasons for why choose us. Contact us. Victorrious Digiital. Reached at this location. Call us on 9545022110. Log in at www.victorriousdigiital.in. Hurry up! Limited seats available.